Alright guys, he's up in the tree and this bad boy is getting ready to come down. Just shooting a little video so y'all can see what's going on. This is a big tall boy here. I'll be glad to get him out the way. But I'll come back here as soon as we get to cutting and I'll shoot some more video. Alright, be back in a minute. Alright guys, got the big limb off. Going after the second one and then the third one, and then we'll get that little one next to it, bring it down, and the skies will be clear for my solar. Just giving you a little update on how the progress is going. See him up in the tree. He's a bad boy. Alright guys, I gotta get back. I'll get you another update here in a minute. Alright guys, he's cleaning it on up, the branches. All right. Guys, when I get them solar panels up on that roof, I think I'm gonna put 9 or maybe more on that roof, and then on the other side I'm gonna put probably about, maybe I'm gonna try to get 12 and 12, so 24 panels up on this roof here, since I'll be able to get some sun out of the south, the west, and out of the east. Man, that should do it. Okay, you ready? Yep. All right. That bad boy is just about done. He done whacked him down all the way down to there. Took that branch off that was hanging over there. It's gone. He's doing the thing. Another one down. Alright guys, I'll come back here in a minute. He's coming on down. Alright guys, I'll be back here in a minute. Alright guys, he is rocking and rolling. He got the big limb that was hanging over there. He got the one that was going up next to that one. Now he's getting the little tree right over there. He's gonna take it down to about right there where he took these off. He's gonna take all of them down to there. But this is where we at. He said that one's gonna come down real quick. So let's see. Timber. Alright. I'll come back. You got progress. We're getting there, guys. There's another one coming down. Crash. Alright guys, this is where we at. It's gone. All we got is a little stump, probably about 10 foot tall. I told him I could take care of that myself. So everything is down on the ground, and now next week I guess we'll be doing the cleanup. Nothing but clear skies. Look at that. Now all I need to do is cut these damn things down. Then I have sun all the way till the time it raises over there, all gets over here and sets. Alright guys, that's it. Maybe I'll shoot another video after we get it cleaned up. Alright.